Hello everyone, welcome back to Ananta. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join me in this new journey of coding excellence. Today we'll be seeing a simple yet super useful to-do list application. Whether you're trying to stay organized with your daily task or just love ticking off these little checkboxes, this app has you covered. Plus, if you're interested in checking out the source code, I've got the link in the description below. So let's jump right in. Okay, so what you see here is a clean and minimalistic to-do list. Right at the top, I have the header with a logo, title and navigation links. This setup keeps things organized and professional. If you want to expand this project, you could easily do that. Like if you want to add more pages like features, contacts, sign in, you can do it. As we scroll down, you notice a background image here. It gives a nice visual appeal. It keeps the interface from looking too plain or boring. With this center layout, to-do list stays in the main focus of the page. In the main section, you got several to-do input fields. Each task has its own text input and a checkbox beside it. The idea is pretty simple. You write down a task, and when you completed it, just check the box. Let me show you how that works. So I can enter any task here. Let's say read a book. And once I'm done with the task, I simply click the checkbox. As soon as I do that, the task moves to the bottom of the list and gets a nice strike through. This visual feedback is a great way to keep track of what's done, what still needs attention. The to-do list is designed to highlight completed tasks. So when I check off a task, it fades a bit and gets crossed out so that you can focus on remaining tasks at the top. Nice, no? Now, if for some reason you need to uncheck a task, maybe you realize it's not fully done or you can do it even better or anything, you can do that too. How? Just uncheck the box and it moves back to the top. Simple, right? The design is also fully responsive, which means the task will be always neatly aligned in the middle, no matter which device you're using. And one thing I love most about this is how customizable it is. I mean, you can add as many tasks as you want. Delete tasks if you no longer need them. And even tweak the style if you want to. It's basic but flexible, so it can grow with you. So that's it for today's walkthrough of my to-do list application. It's simple, easy to use and can really help you stay organized. So if you want to give it a try or take a look at the code, feel free to head to my GitHub and link is in the description. And hey, don't forget to like this video if you found it useful and subscribe for more web development content. If you have any cool idea how to expand this project or add more features, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay ticktastic. Bye.